Welcome to our Tech Explainer video. Today we're diving into a common challenge faced by many developers. Our viewer asks, how can we effectively use an object mapper class to store data in core data? Let's start by understanding the background of the problem. Our viewer has a person class designed to parse JSON responses. This class includes properties like ID, first name and last name, and utilizes the mappable protocol for mapping JSON data. On the other hand, there's a person MO class that serves to save records in core data with similar properties. The challenge arises because our viewer needs to create two separate classes for what seems to be the same purpose. The main question is whether it's possible to streamline this process. Can we use just one person class to both parse JSON and store data in core data, avoiding the redundancy of having two classes?
Welcome back to another tech video. Today I'm going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find the solution. Now, don't forget to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and you'll hopefully get to the resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video.
Let's start by understanding the problem. You have a person class that is used to parse JSON responses from a server. This person class implements the mappable protocol, allowing it to map JSON data to its properties. However, you also have a person MO class for core data storage. The challenge arises because you need to convert between these two classes. This can lead to code duplication and maintenance issues. To streamline this, you can use a single class for both purposes. One approach is to make person conform to NS-managed object, allowing it to be used directly with core data. This way, you can parse JSON and save to core data without needing to convert between two different classes, simplifying your code. Let's now look at a user-suggested answer. To store data in core data, you can use a single person class. This class inherits from NS-managed object and implements the mappable protocol. The person class has properties like ID, first name and last name, which are marked with @NSManaged to indicate they are managed by core data. The class includes a convenience initializer for mapping and a mapping function to handle data transformation. Remember, NS-managed object allows you to use these properties like normal variables while being managed by core data.
And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped find that resolution you're looking for. If it did, please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.